Voice of the People Party President Ardent Miller Basayomoit VPP gives the government 48 hours to put on hold job interviews and threatened to agitate if the government fails to do so. Speaking at a gathering held at Additional Secretariat on Friday, he called upon the people of the state to support them. At the meeting, he called upon the government to issue a notification within 48 hours, otherwise they will agitate. He reiterated that the party has all along talked of job reservation policy and has nothing against the roster system, but the issue is with the reservation policy. The party held a meeting at Additional Secretariat wherein the party sought to submit a memorandum to the Chief Minister on the reservation policy and the roster system.
The problem is not with the roster. The problem is with the entire policy itself. The policy is not proportionate. So how can you divide the policy by two only? You need to understand the population structure of the state.
And now for the weather report.